Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best windshield wipers available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium product, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Autoboo 26 and 16-inch OEM quality wiper blades. These wipers are perfect for those seeking a budget-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on functionality. The standout feature here is the patented design, which offers seamless compatibility with common U-J-hook wiper arms, allowing installation in mere seconds without the need for adapters. Another highlight is the innovative memory spring steel sheets combined with a red armor design, ensuring even pressure distribution and stable performance even during extreme weather conditions. Autoboo claims these blades have been tested through 1.5 million cycles, highlighting their durability. In terms of performance, the Autoboo blades deliver streak-free wiping and are remarkably quiet in operation. The aerodynamic design reduces resistance and noise, making them suitable for regular commuters and long-distance drivers alike. However, while the design is functional, it may lack the refined aesthetics found in more premium models. The blades perform well in rain and light snow, but may struggle slightly in heavier ice conditions. At just $15.79, Autoboo offers great value for money, making these wipers ideal for budget-conscious buyers or those whose driving environments don't demand high-end performance. The pros include affordability, easy installation, and reliable performance in moderate weather. The cons? They may not be the best choice for extreme cold or heavy snow. Overall, a solid pick for everyday use. Coming in at number 4 is the Modium OEM Quality Premium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades. At just $15.29, these are the most affordable option on our list. But their performance and design punch well above their price point. Featuring an award-winning bracketless beam design, these wipers conform nicely to the curvature of your windshield, ensuring consistent contact and a clean wipe. The aerodynamic shape prevents dirt and debris accumulation around the blade, making them ideal for drivers who frequently encounter dusty or rainy conditions. Performance-wise, Modium blades excel in rain and light snow, making them a reliable choice for all-season use. The blades are designed to prevent dirt and debris buildup, ensuring longevity. However, their lightweight construction might not hold up as well in extreme weather conditions, such as heavy snow or ice. Installation is straightforward, thanks to their universal hook mounting system. But some users might find the lack of advanced features, like water repellency or a high-tensile spring mechanism, a drawback compared to higher-end models. The Modium blades are perfect for drivers who want reliable performance at a rock-bottom price. The pros include affordability, easy installation, and solid performance in moderate weather. The cons? They lack advanced features and may not be the best option for severe weather. For the price, however, they're tough to beat. At number 3, we have the Rain-X 820249 Weather Beater Wiper Blades. These blades have been trusted by drivers for over 15 years, and for good reason. They combine durability with consistent performance. Featuring a traditional galvanized steel frame, these wipers resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting strength. The all-natural rubber squeegee is built to withstand cracking and tearing caused by extreme hot or cold weather, making them a great choice for drivers in fluctuating climates. In terms of performance, the Weather Beater blades offer even pressure distribution across the length of the blade, thanks to multiple pressure points and embedded friction reducers. This allows for a clean and streak-free wipe, even in challenging conditions. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the pre-installed multi-adapter that fits most wiper arm types. However, while the traditional design offers durability, it lacks the sleek aesthetics and advanced beam technology found in more premium options. Priced at $24.30, the Weather Beater blades represent a mid-range option that balances cost and performance. They're ideal for drivers who value durability and reliability in moderate to extreme weather conditions. The pros include trusted quality, durability, and ease of installation. The cons? the design is a bit dated, and they don't offer advanced features like water repellency. Still, they're a solid choice for most driving needs. Taking the number 2 spot is the Rain-X 507-9280-2 Latitude 2-in-1 water repellent wiper blades. These blades are a game changer, combining superior wiping performance with the added benefit of Rain-X's patented water repellent formula. With every wipe, the blades apply this formula directly to your windshield, causing water to bead up and roll off effortlessly. This feature makes them perfect for drivers who encounter frequent rain or sleet, as it enhances visibility and overall driving safety. The Latitude blades feature advanced beam technology that hugs the curvature of the windshield for a smooth, streak-free wipe. Installation is also a breeze thanks to the universal adapter that fits 96% of vehicles. However, users must remember to remove the yellow squeegee cover after installation to ensure optimal performance, a step that's easy to overlook. The build quality is solid, but the single blade pack means you'll need to purchase 2 for a complete set, which adds to the cost. Priced at $18.12 per blade, the Latitude wipers offer excellent value for their innovative features. They're ideal for drivers in rainy regions or anyone who prioritizes visibility and safety. The pros include water repellency, superior wiping performance, and easy installation. The cons? The single-blade packaging and slightly higher overall cost for a complete set. If visibility in wet weather is your top priority, these are a fantastic choice. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Bosch 26A18A ICON beam wiper blades, and it's easy to see why. These premium wipers are packed with advanced features, including ClearMax 365 technology, which combines a soft rubber core with a powder-coated shell to extend the blade's lifespan, reduce wiping friction, and ensure streak-free visibility. Dynamic Fit technology enables the blade to adapt perfectly to the windshield curve, maintaining consistent contact even at high speeds. Performance-wise, the ICON blades are exceptional. Their patented beam design optimizes visibility in extreme weather conditions, making them perfect for drivers in regions with heavy rain, snow, or ice. The built-in asymmetrical spoiler ensures superior performance by maintaining consistent blade contact at all speeds. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the original equipment quality hook adapter. However, these blades aren't compatible with certain wiper arm types, so buyers should confirm fitment before purchasing. Priced at $46.04, the ICON blades are the most expensive option on this list, but their longevity and performance justify the price. They're perfect for drivers who demand the best in visibility, durability, and quiet operation. The pros include advanced technology, extreme weather performance, and long lifespan. The cons? The higher price and limited compatibility with certain wiper arms. If you're looking for the best windshield wipers money can buy, the Bosch ICON is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, drive safe and stay prepared.